Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. Erdogan condemns associating Islam with terrorism. Turkish president describes Islam as a religion of peace at event in East London organized by AK Party UK branch. Turkish president rejects reference to Islam terror. Racism, discrimination and Islamophobia spread like a poison ivy, says President Erdogan. Erdogan, allies must take Turkey's concerns seriously. Some allies hand in hand with terror groups. Meanwhile, lecturing on fight against terror, says Turkey's President Erdogan. PKK terrorism a real threat to Turkey, says UK PM. Quartet meeting of Turkish, French, German and British leaders clearly recognized Turkish threat from PKK. 251 yesterday martyred fighting YPG PKK terrorists in northern Syria. Some 760 soldiers of Turkish-backed Syrian National Army also wounded in Turkey anti-terror operation. Regime and Russian raids killed 6 civilians in Syria's Idlib, 10 others injured in air strikes in de-escalation zones in northwestern Syria, violating terms of ceasefire. Iraqi's Kurdish region to hand over oil to Baghdad. Kurdish region reaches preliminary agreement with Iraqi government on oil draft budget for first time since 2014. Saudi Arabia to grant citizenship to professionals. Report. Saudi king issues royal degree to grant nationality to distinguished foreign professionals. Local media report. Pentagon warns of potential Iranian aggression. US remains concerned about potential Iranian aggression, says senior Pentagon official. Refugees struggle to survive at EU border amid winter. Some 500 irregular immigrants face bitter cold and harsh conditions in Bosnian camp 15 km off Croatian border. US envoy travels to Kabul and Doha for intra-Afghan talks. Zulme Khalilzad, Afghan leader, to discuss effort to get all parties to intra-Afghan negotiations. Indian government clears citizenship bill for lawmakers. Legislated to vote on amendment set to award citizenship to illegal migrants from neighboring countries.